Hi everyone, this is Harry. I am the mustard and olive oil sommelier for Gaia, and I want to teach you how to eat like a Greek and bring out the inner Greek that hides inside you. So we're going to start with the classic Greek salad. Now I know this might sound boring, but what I've seen around the world is that people do not know how to make a proper Greek salad. So what you need is, first of all, to think that your ingredients must be in season, absolutely fantastic, great taste and great flavor. So watch where you buy from and make sure that they are really tasty. That's the first rule in every Greek recipe. Now for the ingredients, what we're going to need is cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes, feta cheese of course, olive oil of course. We're going to put oxymelo, which is the Greek ancient balsamic, Kalamata olives and onions. So chop your tomatoes. It doesn't matter how you chop them, however you like. Take off the stem. Next, chop your cucumber. You can peel your cucumber if you want, but I actually like to leave it on because that's where all the nutrients are. Just make sure that you wash them thoroughly. Now at this point, what I want you to do is actually put a little bit of pepper. Bring out all the flavors of the tomato and the cucumber a lot stronger. It kind of works like mustard, it intensifies. And then you're going to cut your onion. And what you want to do with your onion is generally, it should be fine sliced. And that's to be much easier to be able to get all the flavors from the olive oil and from your oxymelo, which is the Greek balsamic. And add to your tasting the onion. I mean, as many as you like. If you don't like too much red onion, you can also use other onions as well. But if you really want to make a proper Greek recipe, it's the red. Now on top of that, we're just going to scatter some Kalamata olives. Now these ones are pitted because I prefer them. And then a slab of your feta cheese. And then what you want to do is put some of the balsamic, the Greek balsamic on the side, not on top of your feta. And then you want to put a little bit of salt on the side as well. Now this is fleur de sel from Greece, from Mesologi, so it sits really nicely in the salad. And then we're just going to put lots of olive oil. And why we put lots of olive oil in Greece is because the juices are going to come out from the tomato. They're going to blend with the Greek balsamic. And with your olive oil then, what we do in Greece is papara. What's papara? We dip our bread into those juices that are incorporated and eat it straight away. I'll show you what. Yes, that is a lot of olive oil, but that's what we do in Greece. We eat a lot of olive oil. Okay, so now goes the final staple Greek ingredient, oregano. Oregano goes everywhere in Greece, on almost every dish. And there you have it. Your Greek horiatiki is ready. So what is Greek papara then? So once you've kind of eaten your salad halfway through, or if you can't wait, you can also do it earlier, just grab some bread. I've got some really lovely Greek kourouri here. And basically just dip it in all that wonderful juice of oxymelo, olive oil, and your tomatoes and cucumber. And voila. Καλή όρεξη and stay tuned for the next video.